I'm about to install Avast Free 2015 on Windows 10 Technical Preview. The build on this one is 9879. Although most antivirus programs automatically turn off Windows Defender, it is always still a good idea to manually do this and make sure it actually happens. Simply open up Windows Defender. Easiest way is to use your search function, type in Defender, and then click on it to open it. Once it's opened, go to Settings, and make sure you uncheck Turn on Real-Time Protection. Save the changes. Tells you your PC is now at risk since you have turned off the protection. Close the window. Now let's get started with installing Avast 2015. You must use the online install. Do not use the full installer. It will not work unless you're using the online installer, and the easiest way to get it is from download.com. Click on it, allow it to start. I have Unchecky installed on this system. It has automatically unchecked the installation for Dropbox. If you don't have Unchecky installed, you'll have to do that manually if you do not want Dropbox installed. As always, use a custom install. Default folder is fine. Continue. This is where you select what parts of Avast you want installed and what you don't want installed. Need browser protection. Line is something I pay for, so I want it. Grime Fighter I don't. Rescue disk is always a smart thing to have. I don't want the browser cleanup. NG, I call it Next Generation Protection, is where Avast sets up some virtual space on your computer so it can test anything suspicious in a virtual drive on your computer. Should it turn out to be an actual virus, at least it never made it to your computer. Continue. Last chance to make any changes. If there's anything in here you don't want, go back. Continue. Agree to the end user license agreement. It's creating a system restore point. One of the nice new features in Avast 2015 is the fact that it makes sure your Wi-Fi router is set up properly. If it's not, it will let you know and actually give you instructions on how to correct whatever insecurities might exist on your Wi-Fi network. My mobile device is already protected by Avast's excellent free protection available for your Android device. A quick scan will now be launched to make sure that you don't currently have any infections on your system. Remember, this is only a quick scan, not a full scan.
Welcome to Avast. Scan has been completed.
At this point, my advice is simple. Reboot your system. Although it says you are protected, registry entries don't get checked. And if there are changes, and there definitely are anytime you install an antivirus program, you need to reboot your system to make sure all of those registry changes take effect. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps. If you want to make Avast happy and pay for the Avast Internet security, you could always select Upgrade. If you want to stay with the free version, remember it still needs to be registered.